What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of McGrath Fishing. We are not going to be fishing today. Today's my last day of the Florida series, and I wanted to do a catch and cook all week. I kind of got some more information, and we probably should not be eating the fish out of this lake. And then we had a charter get canceled, and then we had a charter say they didn't want to take us out because you guys can't really tell, but it's super windy today, and it's going to be raining all day long. So the ocean charter got canceled. We were going to do a catch and cook with the ocean fish that we caught, but because that got canceled, unfortunately, we're not able to make the charters work this time around. But we're going to make something better. We're gonna go to the local seafood. I don't even know what is it even called. We're gonna go to Hall's. It's a seafood market. They have amazing fish there. It's usually fresh caught. Me and Jill are gonna go there. We're gonna buy some fish and cook it, and then we're gonna have like a little challenge between the two of us. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I've been dying for fresh fish, and we're gonna get it done this way. So tune in, and here we go. So guys, before we kind of get into the thick of this video today, I want to say thank you to Follow the Action for sponsoring this entire trip. This has literally been an awesome trip, a 1-week trip. I'm going back down to the Keys in January, probably mid-January. This guy drives like Again, I just want to say thank you to Follow the Action for truly making a dream come true. I cannot ask for a better job. To literally sponsor me, set me down in Florida to fish for a week and film videos is amazing. So guys, go to followtheaction.com. They have fishing gear, hunting gear. They have baits available in 2020 that is coming soon. They're just an awesome company, guys. Just go check them out, get in touch with them. They have pro staff applications on their website. If you guys ever want to join the team, be part of the team, fill out an application on followtheaction.com. If you guys want to buy anything, use promo code McGrathFish to save 15% on your order. 15% on everything on followtheaction.com. McGrathFish. So we are going to the Hall's place as a seafood market. Always fresh caught fish there. So guys, if you can't catch a fish yourself, just go buy it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I haven't really decided on what me and Jill are even getting, because me and Jill are gonna do like the cook off. Oh, the shell's right there. We need to hit that shell.
You're gonna get it gone. 3 lanes.
Guys, we need to get gas in this truck.
Up the Volkswagen's ass.
Yeah, and this guy's up my ass. Everyone's up each other's asses. Where's Hall's?
That way.
Yeah, that way.
Yeah, that way. Pick up the phone and call Kanye.
All right, guys, we gotta get the special ingredients, the sauces, the spices. Guys, the goat. I'm winning it all with this. I'm gonna win it all. She's scared. She's scared that I'm gonna win this all.
I literally went to a culinary school. Your class to get your ass handed
Yeah, no, she actually knows how to cook. She literally cooks for a living. But she can't beat Tony's. So guys, we were talking about like how we're cooking the fish. Mine, I'm gonna do what you guys have seen me do all the time on Catch and Cooks. I'm gonna keep it simple. I know it's saltwater fish that we're probably gonna be eating, but Tony's, you can't go wrong with Tony's. Oh, cool, it's snack pack.
Where's my snack pack? You got a banana, you don't need no snack pack. You know I like snack pack. Why can't you just give me a snack pack?
All right, guys, we're gonna go a little tartar sauce for a little dipping action. I'm gonna go with the corn for the side. All right, guys, so I'm going with the Cajun seasoning, little tartar sauce for dipping, and then we're gonna go fresh corn for the side. So Jill's doing potatoes. Me and Jill obviously know what we're doing, but the people who are gonna be eating it don't know whose is gonna be whose. So it's gonna be a cooking challenge with fresh saltwater fish. Let's go. Oh shit, okay, I'm sorry. We're just filming a video. So it is okay though if I post and just don't put their logo in it? I appreciate it. Alright guys, so as I was picking up everything that I needed for the challenge, they told me to stop filming there, that I had to get permission. I'm not gonna even say the name of the grocery store because there is no point. But he was super respectful, so I appreciate it. And he just kind of said like, yeah, you need permission, blah, blah, blah. And he's like, if you could put the camera away, he's like, I'd appreciate it. That is literally the first time ever that I've been told to stop filming like anywhere in a public place. So now we're gonna go pick out the fresh fish, and hopefully we can at least film in there because that didn't go that well. Let's go to the next place. I literally got that. Alright guys, so we just left Hall Seafood. I went with the mahi mahi and Jill went with the cod. So it's the cod versus mahi mahi. Zach, my cousin, Mary Kate, and Molly all part of the family, cousins, but they're gonna be the judges. They're not gonna know which is which, whose is whose, but we are gonna tell them what the fish are. Or maybe we won't, because he'll probably know that I went mahi mahi. Yeah. Because I always get it.
Let's just be like, here you go. What is
Yeah, we'll just, so I guess what we're gonna do, we're just gonna like cook everything and then we'll let them like decide what's better. So here we go, Joe. Joe, what recipe are you going with?
beer batter?
That's gonna be your maiden voyage?
Yep. For the win.
All right, guys, so this is the side that I chose to kind of freshen things up. Gotta go with the corn. And Jillian's side is seasoned fries, but we're not gonna put it in our main dish because Molly's sitting up here and she's gonna be one of the judges. So she has no idea what kind of fish we're doing, but now she knows the side. So yeah, we're not gonna like put the plate together. We will possibly for Danny and Mary Kate, so like the presentation value, but for Molly, it's just gonna be taste. And she doesn't even like fish, so might not even count. All right, guys, so this is Jill's technique. She's going with the beer batter. I am going with the good old butter in the pan with the special spice. You let the butter melt, put the Cajun in there. So butter melt, Cajun in there. Let it get to like a, not like a boil, but just like a rumbling, tumbling. No way.
What?
Fat slab. a nice good fat slab. All right, so I made 4 quarters. Oh my God, it's alive! Oh, that's going on my video.
No, it's not.
You want to bet? Okay, Molly definitely can't be a judge now because you know the exact what's going on.
I don't know what the hell is going on.
All right, guys, Jill's got hers going, and I'm melting the butter on mine. Slow and steady wins the race. That turtle always wins.
Hurry up.
Shut up! Squeezing the lemon on the fish really brought the taste out. What'd you say? I'm gonna take this competition all the way home. Jill, you are in deep, deep shit. Guys, look at this. How good this looks. Jill's going with the fry technique. I'm going with the pan technique. Alright guys, my finished dish. Oh, I thought you said Jen did it.
I thought you said Jen did it. I think you said that.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go get Sack. And we're gonna get our first judge. Alright, so try a piece
Is that
of...
another thing?
Don't worry about it, just try the fish.
I'm good if it's just horseradish.
It's tartar. Come on.
Not bad. Pretty good. A little undercooked, but good flavor. Half raw. Got a little lemon presentation. It's nice.
Don't really worry about the presentations for either because there's also corn to go with mine and fries to go with Jill's.
It's pretty good. That one, 100%.
Really?
Oh yeah, big time.
No, he didn't. He honestly didn't. I told him both of them we weren't doing any
That's
fried.
actually really good.
All right, so now that you tried it, Sack picked mine. I did the Cajun, and then Jill did the fried.
The
but
fried
this
is
is
good.
cod.
It just needs to be thin.
This is cod, and that's mahi mahi. So those are the fish that we chose.
That makes sense. I'm a big mahi fan, so.
Jill's trying mine. I'll try a little of hers. Good.
It's actually good.
Way better than I thought it was actually gonna be. Because I'm not a big fan of like fish breaded. I like more like that style, but this is good. It's really good. I'm obsessed with this. I'm the champion so far. The seasoning does it again. Molly, let's get an opinion from someone who doesn't even like fish. The fish is so good.
I feel bad for the guy who edits your things.
I really hate fish.
All right, try a little piece. You're shaking.
I hate fish.
Swallow it.
I know, I couldn't eat hers either.
Not even that
Try like a
bad.
little piece. The one by the lemon.
Yeah.
I'm quitting
For real?
this. I'm quitting this family.
I beat the chef in her own house.
Yours is actually pretty good. Like for like hating fish, I'd eat it.
Fuck this
Did
bullshit.
you hear that?
No.
She doesn't even like fish. And she chose the Cajun. I told you, the Cajun is gonna get it done. Nobody can resist the Cajun. I took it home. McGrath Fishing does it again, guys. I can't be beat. You guys like Carne? Hi, my name is McGrath. For all those fishermen and hunters who are watching this video right now, before you click off, head over to followtheaction.com. They have everything from hunting to fishing apparel, largemouth, smallmouth, crappie, walleye, trophy buck, black bear, turkey, and a few others, northern pike, and many more new designs to come. Follow the Action sponsors me full-time to do this for a full-time job. They're an awesome apparel company, they're awesome people. So head over to followtheaction.com, use my promo code McGrathFish to save 15% off on your order. Thank you for watching this message. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I ended up winning and I actually didn't think I was going to because Jillian is a great cook, honestly she really is. I think she would have won if she did the oven where she wrapped it in tin foil, put some lemons in there, but that's just me. So the Mahi got it done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this type of video, and that is gonna do it for the entire Florida series. This entire trip was sponsored by Follow the Action. Alright, Jillian's making me laugh, so I'm gonna end it here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this entire series. Thank you so much to Follow the Action for once again booking me another trip. We're going back to the Keys in Florida for another Florida series. It's probably gonna have a different name, but we'll get into that when January comes. Guys, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe. Peace.